Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in today. Oh, so cold. I have my Louise box. I'm trying to think what number box this is. I do have my date book here. So let me look and see which one this is. I think the 8th box that I've received from them. Pretty good box and company. This box was $40 for the budget box and $13 shipping and handling. I did get the Trend Mood box number 30. I think that just came out, so I'm going to get that. Before we get into that, I wanted to share, I love Doll 10 products in general. They have very nice makeup. And this is, I've had these lipsticks for a little while and do love them. This is called Juicy. And it's just a real pretty shade. I mean, it comes out a little bit more pinky than nude, like you wouldn't think from that. But it is, these are so comfortable. They have just the right amount of sheen for me. I don't need this wet looking lip. They last, you know, doesn't smudge and smear all over the place. So I wanted to share that. If I remember what I have on, then I try my best to share. So let's see what's in this box. Ugh. Don't mind the hair, it's a mess. It looked really cute this morning. It's windy out. I was out running errands, post office, and some other stuff, and it was just all over the place. I'm like, ugh. Do I feel like fixing it? No. Ooh. Let's see. Was all this in there? Maybe. Maybe. Cute. Very cute. I don't know how does that close. Is it magnetic? Yeah, but it might not stay because it's overloaded. Okay, so I'm going to take this and put it down. And this is what the box looks like. Basically like a mailbox. And it probably would. Let me see if I put this down. It would close. Is it magnetic? I don't know if it is magnetic or not, but it kind of, here's, oh, it is a mailbox for sure. Mailbox or mail. It's really cute. And then the products are inside. So let's see what we have. I feel like I'm sitting so far away. Okay. Let's see. And what does it say here? There's no going back now, babe. First class mail. Kind of cute. First item. Mini lip liners. Keep your options open. Right here. Nice. How do you open this box? Are we going to cheat? No. There's a way to open them. Is it taped? I don't know. I don't want to destroy the packaging. Oh my goodness. See, open it like that. Look at they all have little, oh my goodness. All have little, what are those things called? The keychain. So here's the keychain and the mini liners. Let's do this one. So you can see the color right here, hopefully. And then a little pencil lip liner. Oh, they feel nice. So there's one. These are really cute. I probably would not hook it. I'm going to show you all the shades here. If I can. I'm just going to bunch them all together. And I'm not going to swatch all these. So there. Lots of good shades. So how many are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. So we're just going to pop them back in the box. Like that. Cute. Next we have, looks like a palette. And this is Call the Shots palette for eye and face. How cute. Don't need that full package. Let's open this up. I like a little bit more manageable for a palette. Get it out. Oh, how cute. It is a little, is this a calculator? I would assume this looks like a calculator, right? Is that what that's supposed to look like? Or a phone? Call the Shots, a phone. I don't know why I said calculator. Oh, I'm old school. But that's really cute. How does this open? I'm going to break my nail. I know it. I already just split the nail again. Is it taped? No. Okay. Oh, how cute. So it does not have a mirror, which is fine. Look how cute that is. I love it. 3 shimmers, 9 mattes. You do a nice neutral lid or eye with that. Oh, I like that. That is really cute. Right there. I'm not going to close that back up because I won't be able to get it back open. That is a cell phone because there's an antenna. Why did I say calculator? Ooh. Next we have double-ended lip duo, just the 2 of us. Right here. Is this sealed? Yes. Between P. Louise and Flower Nose. I think that the cutest packaging. He's like laying right here sleeping. She's probably going to start dreaming. So this is double-ended lip duo. How do you come out? At the top. Okay. So this is what they look like right here. Let's just take one and see. Oh, nice. Nice lipstick here. Cute package. I like sometimes when it's all one, and then this should be the, you know, like a lip gloss, a liquid lip. Nice. And do we have shades? We do. I just ordered it. And this is, oof, is it just a number? Matchmaker something. Matchmaker lip gloss, and then Matchmaker lipstick is this first one I showed you. Cute. And this one is, oh, these are really hard to see. The lettering is so small. Maybe I can see it on this end better. And then this is Devoted Date lipstick and lip gloss. So here's the lipstick. Oh, great shade. Great, great shade. I'm happy with both of these. And I wear colors, doesn't matter to me. All but red. Nice. Excited to try them. I don't have anything like that. This from them. So that's really cute. I'm not going to put them back in the box either. Why bother? And then there's just those 2 things. Will this close? It'd be cute if it would stay closed, but I think it, you know, because I could put, you know, I would keep that because that's really cute, but it doesn't. I can see the magnets, but where? I think it just got out of shape. I would have to maybe band it, but that would be cute to put stuff in and put it in my drawer. Oh, it's staying closed, kind of staying closed. Okay, so then let's do this next. This is Secret Stacks. What are you? This says stackable multi-use pen. Are you mascara? Love Struck. Oh, neat. Can you guys see all the different levels? Let's unscrew. Oh, so there's one here. Is that the first one? Yeah, so that's number 1. The second one, so this is lip. Right here, it's a little bit bright, but sometimes they're okay on your lip. You mix it with another shade. That's kind of dark. So it's, and then is there anything at the bottom? Yeah. No, another little tiny. So they could be used for like maybe bronzers. That's really a cute idea. It looks like a pen, but it's different stacks. Let me see. Directions for use. Let's see, what does it say? Twist to reveal your chosen layer and attach to the top of the pen. Okay. Swipe over for a wash of color and blend out with your fingertips for a natural diffused look, or with your favorite brush for more definition. So it's for your face. They're not lip. Just twist to reveal a new cutely compact color for the face. Stack them up, babe. So I guess blush and bronzer. That's kind of cute. I mean, you could probably, you know, a liquid blush, if you like the color, you could use it as a lipstick. I'm not going to say you can't, but I didn't know what that was. And then the last thing in here is a massaging face wash right here. And then look, it comes with the, I guess you squeeze and it comes out. And then there's, is that how that works? Oh, there's an on and off, so to stop the product from coming out. That's really cool. I like that. I really do like this. And this, I think I would, it did stick for a little bit because there are magnets under there. So I guess I would have to just like hold it down, like put a rubber band around it or something to have it reshape. It got a little out of shape, but that would be cute. I don't know if I would save that or not, or if I would part with it, but that's really cute. I like this one. Little tiny palette, which is good because we've been getting some massive palettes. It sometimes could be a little bit much, I think. A little overwhelming because there's a lot. Oops. But tell me your thoughts. I don't think this is too bad. I like this small little palette. I think it's cute. And I will use that for sure. That's a perfect palette for me. And I like the lip that I swatched. I do have some wipes here in case I was going to do that, because you never know. I don't have too many of these left. I do use these quite often. Sometimes if I need to like wipe off my countertop in my bathroom and I don't have like a Clorox wipe or paper towel or anything like that, I'll grab one of these and just, you know, give it a wipe. Sometimes you're putting on makeup, you know, the powders, you're putting on powders, it goes downward. Sometimes it lands on the top of my sink. So I grab one of these and clean it up real fast until I can get like a Clorox wipe or some cleaner and paper towel. So I do use them for other things, but that's really cute. I'm excited for that, to try. A lot of them products are really nice. Let me know your thoughts. And I did, like I said, I have my phone here because I just before I started filming, I saw a message from Trend Mood that box 30 was ready, because I'm thinking 29 and 30, there's a huge gap there. I'm trying to think when I got 29. I don't think it was last month. It might have been the month before. Could have been last month. I don't remember what I did yesterday. So let me know your thoughts on this. I would love to know. I know this one can get a little pricey, especially with the shipping, but I don't think 40 for the budget box. 13, it used to be a lot more. So maybe it really just depends month to month, depending on the products. Now, if they're putting like these heavy, you know, book palettes in, yeah. I think the one month we got one of them, I think the shipping was $18, but it's the heavier the box. You can't, you know, fight City Hall. International shipping is what it is. I mean, we all know shipping is expensive even in the U.S., let alone you're going there in the U.K., shipping to the U.S., yeah, it's expensive. If I ship to the U.K., it's expensive. So, you know, you got to take it with a grain of salt and move on. So I like the box, so I'm willing to pay the money in the shipping. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.